What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are opening up the brand new Obsidian Flames ETB. So, just doing one today. I will probably open more of these in the future, so stay tuned for that. Just wanted to open one up for now, just to see what we can hit. So we get our player's guide, and just wanted to show cards real quick on what we can pull. So we have our Oddish, Gloom, the regular stuff, the Siggy EX. We also got Toad's Cruel. Well, we know about Charizard EX, obviously. We got Victini EX, Ice Skew, Fire Ice Skew. What else? No water types. We got the Electric Tyranitar, Palmot, Miraidon. Looks like Houndstone EX as well as a Vespiquen EX. So that's kind of cool, like a psychic one. We got Glimora, Koraidon. We got the Charizard there. We got Houndoom, Absol. No Umbreon, but we do have a regular uncommon Umbreon this time. We got Melmetal, Pidgeot, Dragonite. I think that Melmetal EX looks pretty cool this time around. The ingredients, we got all these awesome artwork, including the Pidgeotto, and the Pidgeot, which is going to be later, but we got the Charizard. We got some fun cards to pull here, so hopefully we can get them. We got Poppy and Greta as well, and here's that Pidgeot that I mentioned. Only 3 gold cards this time around, so hopefully we might be able to get some of them. Without further ado, let's get started. Going through the box. Let's do that. Let's do what I usually do. So this time, like all the other ETBs with Scarlet and Violet, we also get the Charmander promo card, which is a Charizard. What's that term? Where did I put the player guide? Still trying to get used to these new terminologies. Here we are. Illustration Rare. The Illustration Rare Charmander. You got Pidgey sitting in the background, Charmander just staring out the window, like staring at them like, what are you doing at my window? Situation, which is pretty cool. Let's use a scissor. For that. And into the sleeve it goes. What else we got? We got our energy cards. Here is our code card. Let's see, we got the Charmander sleeves. 9 booster packs. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Our condition markers, our dice / damage counters. And hiding is our Charmander. Alright, there's one more. Charmander dividers. I kind of like this box design. It's a starter Pokemon design, which is different, obviously. Kind of love it. But without further ado, my second time saying this now. Let us get ripping without making anything fall. Alright, let's get ripping. So, 9 packs, pack number 1. I do like the fact that with the Scarlet and Violet sets, though, like, you don't have to do a card trick anymore. The main card trick is literally the code card. as well as the energy card in the back, and then you can flip it around. Oh, I skipped it. I was gonna say Dark Energy just because it is the Charizard that we're mainly looking for. Combi, Varoom, we got Larvitar, Cleffa, Togetic, Volcarona, Poltegeist, Meltan, Frogadier into Thundurus. But yeah, I do like that pack. They also have all the commons in the front, as well as the uncommons right behind it, and so on and so forth. Helps a lot. Here is that code card real quick. And let us go with fighting. It's metal. We got Houndour, Tedbulb, Steenie, Wooper, Wugtrio, Darmanitan, Stoutland, Poltegeist, Numel, and Scovillain. Third pack, hopefully we'll get something here. Here's that code card. And we're gonna go into grass. And it's fighting Inkay, Toedscool, Houndour, Tedbulb, Toedscruel, Ninetales, Dugtrio, Magnemite, Tedbulb. We got a full art Revavroom. Revavroom. Ah. Why did they do that? Alright, full art Revavroom EX. So centering on this bad boy is towards the right hand side. I didn't look at the centering for the promo. Centering on this is a little off top and bottom wise. It's going towards the top. But yeah, at least we got one pull so far. We're going into pack number 4. Code card and electric. Whoop. Grass energy. We got Baltoy. I think I saw something. Carvana, Lechonk, Fungus, Frogadier, Trampa, Sharpedo, Squilvit, into a special illustration rare Poppy, and Togekiss. I already see the centering on this. It is leaning towards this side, which is, when I flip it, it's going to be the right hand side. Here we are. It is leaning a little bit towards the right. Top and bottom. Going towards the bottom, though. But, yeah. E4 trainers. Here's that code card, and we will go with metal. Whoop. Grass again. Alright, well, we got Steenie, Wooper, Baltoy, Carvana, Houndstone, Diggersby, Solrock, Trevenant, into a Palafin illustration rare, and we got Toedscruel EX. Alright, double banger. Alright, so for this one, flip it. Centering on this is actually pretty good. If anything, it is leaning towards the left a little bit, but overall pretty good. As for the Palafin, this thing's beautiful. You got the Palafin in its hero form with Finizons around it. Centering for this one is actually pretty decent. If anything, it's leaning towards the top though. So there's that. Moving on to pack number 5. Yeah, 5. We got 4 pulls so far. I'm happy about this box right now. We will go with Psychic, in a second. Huh. And it's electric. We got Nose Pass, Litwick, Audino with an egg, Charmander, Espeon, Floatzel, Wishcash, Linoon, Clodsire, into Darkrai. Alright, here comes our next pack. Let's go with Water. Here's the code card first. And it's a Fire Energy. Will this be a Fire pack? We got Fungus, Nosepass, Litwick, Houndoom, Grimble, Malamar, Dolive, Darumaka. We got the Charizard. We got the full art Charizard, ultra rare. We pulled it. The ultra rare Charizard. Alright. Centering on this is actually really good. There's a ding on this corner though, unfortunately. But, gee, awesome. This is a great way to start with Obsidian Flame. My first opening of Obsidian Flames, and we're pulling the ultra rare Charizard off the bat. Off on the first products that we're opening on this channel. Or not even on this channel. This is the first product I'm opening from Obsidian Flame. I didn't even go to a pre-release this time around because I was traveling. Anyways, let us go with Fire. Here's that code card first. Keep doing that. And it's Water. Look, we got Dratini, Oddish, Herdier, Finizen, Kangaskhan. I love these artworks right now on even the regular set of cards. Camerupt, Lapras, Houndoom, Arboliva, into Gita. I didn't even know Gita, a supporter, was going to be a rare card. I didn't pay attention to that. Anyways, last pack. Let's go out with a bang with this last pack magic. We are going to go with, I have not said electric, so I'm going to go with electric. Here's that code card first, and it is metal. I think I see something in the back again. I don't know. So we might have something in the back. Dratini, we got Oddish, Grumpig, Trevenant, Bellybolt, Arvin, we got a Froakie, into a Vespa Queen EX. This was a banger box, like 6 pulls out of 9 packs. Well, yeah. But we got the Vespa Queen EX. Nothing too special about the regular EXs, unfortunately, now. But backside centering is honestly pretty good. I don't see any dings on the corners or edges as well, so there's that. Alright, well, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like. For more content, hit the subscribe button for my next video. I am gonna be opening either the booster box or the Pokemon Center of the ETB. So stay tuned for that. And until next time, peace.